My name is Danielle Brodhagen, and I am the Director of Product Development with the Ontario Culinary Tourism Alliance, and I've been with the company for about 2 months. Yeah, so an average day, I come into the office and I do a lot of work, consulting work with clients, so around product development and culinary tourism and agritourism in the region. So I work with clients on strategic business plans. We develop products, so based on their successes and what their products are in a region, I will help them develop. So a lot of brainstorming, a lot of research online, a lot of emailing, and I also travel quite a bit. So I actually get to go out into the field and into the market and research different culinary and agritourism products. I love meeting the passionate people behind the really great local food products in Ontario. So the farmers, the chefs, hotels and accommodation properties that have local food breakfast. So they're just, these people are really passionate about what they do. They're usually really innovative and creative, and I love hearing their stories and then sharing them with other people. In high school, really focusing on communications, and for me, I didn't know that this is what I wanted to do, but I did a lot of event planning. So I was on student government, so it was a lot of that added value when I was at school that I just made sure that I was very well connected and participating in. Obviously, you need to be able to do budget, so economics is good, and math, and then any sort of social sciences that you can take. So in Toronto, I would really suggest connecting with all of the food events in the city, also the chefs, and really getting out there and experiencing food tourism products. So that would be farmers markets, going to a chef school if that seems like a path that you'd like to do. You don't need to necessarily be a chef, but you understand that industry, and really networking. I think that there's incredible value, and I moved recently from Stratford, and when I moved to Toronto, the food tourism world and is quite small. You know everyone, so that networking piece is really important. At the farm level, really around events and how they can add value to their business if they would like to accept tourists at the farm. I think there's a lot of opportunity there. But also if they're interested in making that connection with the food that they grow or produce and get it into restaurants. I think there's a lot of work that can be done there. And also on the distribution side, I think there could be some creative business opportunities on distributing our food to restaurants or retailers in the province. I would definitely be Anthony Bourdain. So he's a chef that has a really cool show that he travels all over the world and has really great tastes and experiences. So some of them are on farms, and some of them are, back alleys in Chile where he's finding out how a restaurant is butchering a certain animal and then how it makes it to the plate. I think his job is really cool, and he has to meet a lot of really great people and taste some interesting things.